Da Vinci Jeremy says Solana is going to the moon and might be $1,200 low. Let's break it down. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can get bogged down with slow transactions and high fees, Solana is built to handle thousands of transactions per second. Think of it as the express train of the crypto world, fast, reliable, and affordable. Why is Solana surging? So, why is Solana booming right now? Several factors are at play. One major reason is its growing adoption in decentralized finance or DeFi apps and NFT marketplaces. Plus, Solana has a strong developer community constantly working on improving the platform. When more people use Solana, demand for its token goes up and boom, the price climbs. How to invest in Solana? Alright, now let's get to the important part. How can you invest in Solana? It's easier than you might think. Step 1. Choose a reliable crypto exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Step 2. Create an account and verify your identity. Step 3. Deposit funds fiat currency like dollars or euros, or even trade other cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Search for Solana or its ticker symbol SOL. Step 5. Buy Solana and store it safely in a crypto wallet. Simple, right? Just remember, always use trusted platforms and enable two-factor authentication. Now, before you hit buy, let's talk risks. The crypto market is volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and crash the next. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and always do your own research. Quick tips for investing in Solana. Start small, diversify your portfolio, stay updated on market trends, use secure wallets. Solana is exciting, no doubt about it. But remember, smart investing is all about patience, knowledge, and risk management. So if you're ready to dive into the world of Solana, start slow, stay informed, and most importantly, invest wisely. Like this video? Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy investing.